Hello, hola amigos y creadores, friends. La parte superior Net Positive de Macrame está aquí, fabricado con cuerda de 9 mm. Hablo un poco de español para explicarlo por fin. Siéntete libre de hacer esto para ti o para los demás y asegúrate de acreditar a ella en la luna. Ella in the moon. The Net Positive Macrame top is here, made with 9 mm rope. I speak some Spanish. Feel free to make these for yourself or others, and be sure to credit Ella in the Moon. I'm so excited about this top. I've already worn it out and gotten so many compliments. This top is on a 38-inch dress form. I wear an XL. It is crop size on me. This top will fit longer or on smaller bust sizes, so I recommend decrease of 1 row of knots for a small medium. And move in 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters for sizing decrease.
Este top tiene una forma de vestido de 38 pulgadas. Llevo un XL. Es el tamaño de la cosecha para mí. Esta parte superior se ajustará más tiempo a tamaños de busto más pequeños, por lo que recomiendo disminuir una fila de nudos para SMY moverse en 1 pulgada o 2,54 centímetros para disminuir el tamaño.
Fast, rápido. Okay, stop here for the
You're
front.
clocking pluralities in those race?
Stop here for the front. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And over here there's 4. On the sides there's like 3. Hold on, 1, 2. There's 4 on the sides. Gotta add one more over here. So that's how it works. It's gonna be a cropped. Now, if you want it to be longer, I would add on, let's see. Let me find my tape measure. So now it's take like 3 inches. I would add, for length, 6 inches for it to come probably to hip if you're a between like 5'4" and 5'7", and I'd add 8 if you're between the height of 5'7" and above. Just add 3 inches per 1 inch of height you are taller. Now, let's do the back, and then I'll show you how to close off the front. The back measures about 68 inches per piece of rope, and I've already doubled that. I love the structure of this. Que linda. It's beautiful. In this part, I add one more piece measuring 82 centimeters. I weave it in and out of nearby side knots, then double half hitch at the bottom. I will add a part 2 addendum in a week because I'm not sure I really like the way this side turned out. Ahora español. En esta parte añado una pieza más que mide 82 centímetros, 82 centímetros. O 82 centímetros. Lo entrego y salga de los nudos laterales cercanos. Luego, doble medio enganche en la parte inferior. Añadiré una adición de la parte 2 en una semana.
Join us every weekday morning or browse our library of thousands of bingeable episodes. You can find Good Risings on the iHeartRadio app on Apple.
To do this episode for a while, but
I tied 2 square knots with 4 side pieces to connect under the arm, 2 pieces from each side. I'm thinking about redesigning this part though, but I wanted to get this uploaded, so there will probably be a part 2.
Nudos cuadrados con 4 piezas laterales para conectar debajo del brazo. Sin embargo, quiero rediseñar esta parte, pero quería subirla.
the Supreme Court intention to potentially remove the right to abortion has been leaked. Yeah. Just to be totally clear about what exactly is going on, it's very common knowledge, but we want to just be sure. The Supreme Court is poised to make this decision about abortion on whether it's protected by the Constitution or not. This was a draft of a February Supreme Court opinion. It was leaked, and it sort of would lead you to believe that the court is going to be overturning Roe v. Wade.
Here, I added a long piece that fit around my upper waist with room to tie a bow in the front. I horizontal double half hitch them on all the way around. The piece can be pulled to tighten and tie the bow in front.
Los enganché de doble mitad horizontal. La pieza se puede tirar para apretar.
Obviously, you can make this top as long or as short as you would like.
Obviamente, puedes hacer esto más largo si quieres.
Thank you for watching. Gracias.